Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are unboxing this month's LookFantastic box. I was planning to unbox this with my glossy box, but I forgot the box at work. I mean, I guess it arrived. I know it arrived, but I guess my colleagues, they collected it and left it on my desk, and I didn't know, so I didn't go and check my desk because I'm in training all week. So yeah, long story short, I wanted to do it. I wanted to do this unboxing with my glossy box, but I didn't get it. I don't have it. I don't know where it is. I hope it's on my desk. Please, please, please. Anyway, so this is what this month's box looks like. It's super cute. It kind of reminds me, you know, of Christmas, like green, but we're only in October. So yeah, I kind of wished it would be like orange to, you know, correspond with this season. But anyway, let's open it up. As always, we get a booklet and the Elle magazine with the lovely Selena Gomez on the cover. Okie dokie, so this is what we have. Let me dive into it and get the first thing. Okay, so the first thing is the Telika Paris Bubble Mask Bio Detox. I guess this is a sheet mask. So this is what the product looks like. Okay, so it is a oxygenating bamboo charcoal anti-pollution mask. It purifies and unclogs, it illuminates the complexion, and it moisturizes and soothes. I love sheet masks. They're the best. They're a one-time use. You put them on, they do the job, you throw them away. You don't need to play around with brushes and, you know, getting your fingers dirty and all that jazz. So this is a very cool product. I'm happy. I can't wait to give this a try, you know. Next up, we have the I think it's Prey Ageless Throat and Décolletage Creme. So this is what it looks like. Open it up. Oh, it's actually closed. So that's cool. Protects the product. I actually have one product that is similar to this. I think I received it in my glossy box a few months ago. It is like a throat and neck cream as well. I use it. I don't really notice a difference. Maybe, you know, it's not for my age group. Maybe it's more suitable for mature skin, but you know, it's actually good to try. It's never too late, or it's never too early. It's never too late to start caring for your skin. So cool little product. Next up, we have the PIXI by Petra Fresh Face Blush. This is the product, and this is what it looks like inside. I am loving this color. This is so me. Let me give it a swatch. Oh yes, bitch. I am loving that. Let me just rub that out. Super color. Oh, I love these. Like these rosy kind of colors, they are my favorite. Next up, we have the Ahava Mineral Body Lotion. This is what it looks like. Okay, so it's a body lotion. Okay, to be honest, I don't really moisturize my skin, but I know I should. So I love getting these. And you know, eventually I actually go through them. To be honest, I use these kind of products like body lotions the most when I self-tan, but since it's kind of autumn and winter and I'm going to be wearing sweaters and no one's going to see my skin, then you know, I kind of tend to neglect that side of you know, self-care. But yeah, this is super cool. I wonder if it's going to be good. If it is, then I'll let you know. If it's not, then I'll let you know as well. Next up, we have the Monoskin Line Smoothing Night Renewal Complex. So this is what it looks like. Is this like a face mask or something? Okay, so let me read what it says here. It's a rich complex of actives to help smooth and firm the skin whilst you sleep. Comfort is restored and the lipid content of the skin is improved. Your skin feels rejuvenated and renewed. To use, how to use every evening after cleansing and toning. Wow. Okay, so I guess this is like a sleeping mask. I think I have a few sleeping masks already that are downstairs on my bedside. So I mean, it's an interesting product. I'm happy to try this out to see if it's going to make a difference, you know, the next day when I wake up, to see if my skin feels rejuvenated and smooth and plump and all that jazz. So cool. Next up we have the Dr.Lipp tint with elderberry pigment. So this is 100% natural. What it looks like, so let's take a look at what it looks like. I am squeezing this, but it's, oh my goodness, it's so hard to squeeze out. And this is what it looks like. Can I see? Can you see? I think you can see. Such a beautiful color, and it's just a tint, so you know it's going to hydrate your lips while, you know, kind of giving them a little bit of a color so you don't look dead. Cool product. I think I will be using that on, you know, my no makeup days. So that is it. Let me just count up and see how I like this box. Honestly, I'm kind of torn because I feel like it's a 4 out of 6 box for me, but you know, these products are not bad. It's just that I'm not sure how often I'll be able to use them. So I'm talking about the neck cream and the body lotion. You know, I'll probably give them a try eventually, but you know, I don't know how often I'll use them. But yeah, you know, I feel like it's a 4 out of 6 box, but then again, I honestly like the products that I received, like all of them, even though I might not use them, the two, as often as I would want to. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more LookFantastic unboxings. I have a playlist with all my unboxings, so I will link them down below if you want to check them out. But yeah, that is it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.